XTR was developed for off-road enthusiasts and drivers who want a vehicle to complement their lifestyle, or people who want to stand out from the crowd. So this year we're enhancing it even further with the striking XTR Colour Edition. XTR is still the most sophisticated and authentically capable pickup in the D-Max range. We're just adding an extra twist with a colour-coded body kit and green Isuzu badge to really refresh the look. We're going to look at all of these changes and also recap on the fantastic off-road capabilities and assertive styling that are retained from the original XTR. The XTR body kit was custom designed for D-Max, but normally it's finished in a durable black Raptor coating. Changing the exterior quite dramatically, the front bumper guard, the bonnet protector and the headlamp frames are now colour-coded with the body for an even more premium appearance. The fog light surrounds and the grille remain black, and this is to contrast with the body colour and also to retain a bit of that XTR aggressive styling. In addition, the vibrant green Isuzu badge is now standard on the Colour Edition, and I think that stands out really well against the obsidian grey. The wheel arch extensions are now also colour-coded, and the lozenge-shaped insert repeats that vibrant green, which makes XTR immediately identifiable on the road. As with the standard XTR, the Colour Edition is equipped with exclusive heavy-duty 17-inch alloy wheels. These feature a fluted deep dish design and are embossed with the XTR logo. These 6-spoke alloys in satin black are fitted with Pirelli Scorpion All-Terrain Plus tyres. Isuzu are the first manufacturer to adopt these tyres as standard, and they're perfectly suited to XTR because they benefit all kinds of driving conditions. They're quiet for on-road driving for day-to-day use, and they're also very capable on all types of off-road surface, so they're great on rocks, snow, mud and sand. XTR is equipped with a bespoke Pedders suspension and braking system, making it extremely comfortable on the road and capable in the extreme off-road. If you take a look through the alloy wheel spokes, you can see the vibrant green brake calipers. Performance front brake discs have been designed for a consistent brake pedal feel, high wear resistance and better anti-corrosion protection. They're also fully vented and slotted for improved heat dissipation and braking. Kevlar ceramic front brake pads work in combination with the discs for much improved stopping power and braking performance. The Isuzu D-Max is renowned for being strong, tough and reliable, but this capability is taken to the next level on XTR, making it capable in the extreme. Not only has the braking system been engineered specifically for XTR, but the suspension is also a bespoke solution from Pedders. Built to endure the harshest conditions, a front suspension upper arm and specially designed damper units help to achieve longer suspension articulation, giving impressive off-road performance. In addition, the suspension height is set higher than a standard D-Max, meaning that XTR benefits from 250mm ground clearance with no compromise on stability or handling. The XTR side steps have an angular bar framework, and these are designed to prevent stones and rocks from damaging the bodywork. They're covered in a durable textured black finish, and these prevent marks and scratches and also provide extra grip when you're standing on the step. There's a lozenge-shaped infill which acts as a drain for snow, mud and sand. Black door mirror covers and black door handles complement the steps, and tinted rear windows provide a dark aesthetic. At the rear, the tailgate spoiler has been colour-coded, but you can still see the XTR logo from above. The rear light surrounds have been painted, and the rear bumper also includes some body colour elements. The step remains a material finish, and the exhaust finisher inserts are also black for contrast. Just underneath this, you'll see even more flashes of green, and this time it's from the rear anti-roll bar and the rear dampers. And this is what you'd normally see when you're travelling behind the truck. I hope you agree that the exterior of the XTR Colour Edition enhances the XTR's sophisticated styling, and this has continued inside. XTR heated front sports seats are upholstered in leather, suede and carbon fibre leather with contrast green overstitching on the side bolsters. Not only does a mixture of leather and suede provide a comfortable and luxury feel, but the suede adds that little bit of extra grip which works in conjunction with the side bolsters to keep the driver in position. An XTR logo is positioned on the backrest of each front seat, and it's also positioned on the centre rear headrest so you can see it in the rear view mirror. The D-shaped sports steering wheel has been moulded for comfort and grip. Trimmed in leather and suede with green overstitching, it's got the same premium and sporty feel as the seats. What's more, each bespoke XTR steering wheel is individually finished with green overstitching that's sewn on by hand. XTR is available in splash white, titanium silver, obsidian grey and cosmic black. This limited colour palette has been chosen because it works with the vibrant green colour coding that you see throughout the vehicle. All of the XTR Colour Editions will be available in these 4 colours, but only a limited amount will be produced in each colour.